would say agronomy is the study of agriculture and how we produce crops.
I describe it as the study of farming. And I understand that agronomy is a nuanced field, and that's not exactly right. We can do some really cool things in agronomy.
The coolest thing, I think, is really understanding that a lot of the things in our life happens below ground.
A successful agronomist is someone who is eager to understand.
I knew I really liked science. I love agriculture, and I love the people in agriculture.
Well, I didn't grow up on a farm, but I grew up in the outdoors, hunting, fishing, and hiking.
There's so much frontier. I get to be curious, and I get to ask questions.
I love plants. I like being outside.
The work environment in agronomy and soil science is just amazing because I deal with real people.
It has been one of the most fulfilling parts of my job to share and to be creative with other people.
Agriculture is one of those disciplines that connects you to the land more directly.
So technology is actually becoming really important.
If you join agronomy, you have a lot of potential to be on the cutting edge of these technologies and these studies. You can take your interests and really flourish in these fields.
Every year we are producing more food and more fuel and more fiber with less land.
Our population is growing, we need to feed all these people, and we need to take care of our environment, and it takes all hands on deck to do that. We need everybody.